Welcome to Omnivarsity.
Data interpretation. In data interpretation, such kind of diagrams will be given, and we need to solve problems while looking at the diagram. Let's see what this diagram says. The rectangle represents government employees. The circle represents players and the triangle represents singers. The first question is, how many government employees cannot sing but can play? Since we are asked to search within government employees, we are going to search the numbers within the rectangle. Another clause is the employees cannot sing. So I need to eliminate the portion which is within the triangle. But can play. So I need to search it within the rectangle and the circle, which will be this portion and this portion. So let me write down the numbers. 80 plus 70 plus 150 plus 500, which will give us 800. Let's see the next question. How many singers are there who are neither government employees nor can play? So I need to find singers. I will look within the triangle. And since they cannot be government employee, so I will leave the portion which is being covered by the rectangle, and since they cannot play also, I'm going to leave the section represented by the circle. So that leaves me with this portion and this portion. So the answer would be 40 plus 30 plus 80, which is going to give us 150. The next question is, how many players are there who can either sing or are government employees? So I'm going to find out the people who can sing or are government employees or are both. So for the people who can sing, I'm going to check the triangle. I'm going to add this value with the people who are government employees, that is the ones who are in the rectangle. So this is the area which I am going to cover. 40 plus 30 plus 10 plus 20 plus 100 plus 50 plus 60 plus 80 plus 50 plus 80 plus 60 plus 70 plus 150 plus 500, which gives us 1300. Let's go to the next question. How many government employees are there who cannot play but can sing? I need to find people outside the circle, inside the rectangle and the triangle. Well, there are no such values which satisfy this case. So we can say that there are 0 people.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Omnivarsity.